Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to permanently delete your IMDb account using the Android app. Whether you're trying to clean up your online presence or simply no longer use IMDb, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire deletion process clearly. First, open the IMDb app on your Android phone. Next, tap on your profile icon or go to the Account section. Tap the settings icon located at the top right corner of the screen. After that, select Account from the list. Now, scroll down and tap on Delete Account. Then, click on Request Account Deletion. IMDb will now send a confirmation link to your email. Go to your inbox and find the email from IMDb. Next, click on the confirmation link provided in the message. This will open in your browser. Then, log into your IMDb account through the browser. Finally, click on Submit Account Deletion Request to complete the process. And that's it. Your IMDb account will be permanently deleted. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful guides like this one.